What's happening? Alright, we're currently in the Nutout merch room. So, obviously you all know I broke my motor. So going forward, gonna pull the motor out on Wednesday, pull it apart, see what it's like and see where we go from there, but rebuild time, which is cool. How do we fund that? Well, we work hard, we go to work, we work hard. The other thing we could do is we can sell merch, okay? So we've been stocking up and hoping to get out some car shows and bits and pieces, but COVID's obviously taking care of all that. We ain't got no car shows, everything's been cancelled, postponed. Rubbish. But anyway, we'll have a look. So a lot of this stuff was obviously meant for car shows and whatnot. So got the kids colouring in comp, Maihem and Nutout. Another Nutout colouring in comp. So we're going to have to work out how we can get these out to kids to do it and send us in. We can pick some cool ones and pick a prize winner. We've also got posters, A3 posters. Some pretty cool ones there. Due to the range. The Nutout number plate Uflex cap. Nutout plate beanies. Not sure we can see here. So we've got some Nutout Novelty plates. Those die-hard Nutout fans. Another cool thing that we had, obviously, we got all our stuff and flyers and whatnot for our car show. So I'll take you around here. You would have known last year we did the Road to the Summernats fundraiser. Well, obviously COVID screwed that, so we ain't going to Aussie for Summernats for 2021, which is unfortunate. But we're still going to run our car show, so Powerfest. We've got some cool cars lined up for that one. Labour weekend, it's actually a double header with the boys over at Master Motorplex for Rappernats. We've got some cool cars coming, and hopefully I'll cruise over to my show as well. What else we got? So we've got some cool Nutout NZ Burnout Monsters cards. So we'll get some of those out next show we're at. Who knows when that'll be. So some cool things that you can order is the some cool stickers here. That sticker. Maihem stickers. Some more Nutout stickers. What else we got? So I've got one of the old school Nutout caps left. Hold Addiction cap. Head over to the boys at Hold Addiction if you want to order your one. Got one OG Nutout design. This was the first design I ever did. What else we got? So we got some of our Nutout tops that we did for the fundraiser last year. Got those ones. What else we got? So we got some. This is a big boy 5XL. So we got the Nutout Summernats 33 tank tops. So cool design done for us. So we've got the new design, so Nutout hoodies, pretty cool. Just with Nutout on the back, LS1 871 T56 Burnout weapon. Some Nutout tees, and on the back just sort of a representation of where we've been. Wainui, Port Road, Masterton, Manfield, Taupo, Huntley, Mystery Creek, Hampton Downs, Mary, Kaikoura, Goon, Ruapuna, the old shed skids. We've been to Canberra. Everyone's been to Mexico. Everyone's doing skids in Mexico these days. And we've done the old private road as well. So that's all we have at the moment. We've got beer glasses coming. We've got some key rings coming. And a few other bits and pieces, but they just haven't arrived yet. So what we might do is I'll put some prices up, and those that are keen to order, let us know, and we'll get them out in the mail. Sure.
Need like a mustang, and give it some more. We got the world on lockdown. Star don't pop down. Flavor flying the flag, could never get shut down. Play with the top down, can't turn the hot down. Club for club, we'll just tear the whole lot down. There they go, there they go, there they go. There they go, there they go, there they go. There they go, there they go, there they go. Acting like they're oh so hot. Let them boys just blow.
Also, don't forget, get downloading Burnout Masters, Nutout. We're going to run a comp soon, high school comp, Nutout prize pack. Can't go wrong. Who's got skills?